Vietnam Market Report for mid-month September 2024. Market movements. The VN Index has declined by 2.5% compared to the start of September. Vietnam stocks experienced significant downward pressure due to concerns over aftermath of Typhoon Yagi, the strongest storm to hit the South China Sea in 30 years. The storm caused widespread flooding and major damage, and as reports of the typhoon's impact escalated, the investors were panicked and tended to sell off their equities positions. Although market sentiments began to stabilize during midweek, most investors remained cautious about typhoon's negative effects on GDP growth and corporate earnings for the third quarter of 2024. Sector performance. Most of the sector recorded negative performance over past 2 weeks. Energy sector experienced largest declines of 5.1%, followed by consumer discretionary and financials with a drop of 2.9%. The energy sector was hit hardest by the sharp drop in global oil prices, while consumer discretionary suffered from aggressive profit-taking. Companies in financial sector, particularly banks, insurance companies, and securities brokers were on downward trend due to concerns that insurance firms might face significant compensation claims related to the typhoon damage. Market view. As the VN Index approaches the 1,280 to 1,300 resistance zone, some profit-taking actions of investors are expected to take place. However, the overall market outlook remains positive, supported by a combination of domestic and international developments, including the Fed's recent rate cut prompted the state banks of Vietnam to lower its open market operation rate from 4.25% to 4%. This action helps improve liquidity and provide greater monetary flexibility. Furthermore, Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính meeting with business leaders on 21st of September reinforced optimism around regulatory reforms in key sectors, including semiconductors, artificial intelligence, and green hydrogen. With alignment between the new party's leadership and Prime Minister, the emphasis on fostering economic growth remains strong, suggesting a favorable environment for further development. And that also marks the end of our market report for mid-month September 2024. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned for more exciting market insights from Kim Vietnam.